Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up with Webflow site assets to Dropbox, full guide step by step clearly. To back up your Webflow site assets to Dropbox, start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the dashboard and select the project you want to back up. Click on the Assets tab in the left sidebar. You will see all your site assets displayed here. Select the assets you wish to back up by clicking the checkbox next to each item. To select all assets, click on the top checkbox. Once you have selected your desired assets, click the Download button in the top right corner. This will download a zip file containing your chosen assets to your computer. Next, open your Dropbox account in a web browser. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and sign in. Once in Dropbox, navigate to the folder where you want to store your Webflow assets. Click the Upload button, usually found near the top of the page. Select Files from the drop-down menu. In the File Explorer, locate the zip file you downloaded from Webflow. Select the zip file and click Open to begin the upload process. Wait for the upload to complete. This may take a few moments depending on your file size. Once the upload is complete, you will see your zip file in the chosen Dropbox folder. For easy access and organization, consider renaming the file to reflect the project name and date. You can also extract the zip file in Dropbox if you want to view or use individual assets directly. To do this, you may need to use a third-party integration or extract files on your computer before re-uploading them. Now your Webflow site assets are safely backed up in Dropbox. You can repeat this process whenever you make significant changes to your site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.